Hey everyone! Today we are diving into a project that comes straight from the heart. Widely shared photos recently, the ones showing an incredible moment of strength and self-care. So, today we are going to be making this gorgeous crochet healing angel. This isn't meant to be an exact copy of the inspirational photos, but rather my own heartfelt tribute to the power of healing, sending love, and showing support. I wanted this angel to be a universal symbol of hope, which is why I created a complete free pattern for you. You can find the pattern and as well the PDF link right down in the info box below, or easily grab it from my Ravelry shop. It won't cost you a thing. Grab your hook, let's do it! I'm using size 0 yarn and a 2.1mm hook, but you can use a 2mm or 2.5mm. The head, rounds 1 to 11. First, we'll start with a magic ring. Into that ring, we need to make 6 single crochet. Don't worry about keeping track of the instructions. I'll have all the rounds displayed right here in the top right corner. Or, you can download the pattern and follow along at your own pace if you don't need the step-by-step instruction now. When you finish your 6 SC, go ahead and make a slip stitch to join the round. Now for round 2. We'll repeat the sequence of single crochet and increase 3 times. At the end of this round, you'll have 9 stitches. Okay, now that we've completed round 2, let's move on to round 3. We'll repeat the sequence of 2 single crochet and increase 3 times, and that will bring us to 12 stitches. Next, we need to make one more increase round. Round 4. We'll use the same sequence as round 3, but this time we'll repeat it 4 times instead of 3. Remember, ink means 2 single crochet into 1 stitch. We'll repeat this all the way to the end of the round. Now we come to rounds 5 and 6. We'll make 16 single crochet. No increases, just plain single crochet all the way around. It's not complicated. We've finished round 6, so let's start round 7. Now we begin decreasing to shape the head. We'll make 2 single crochet, and then we'll make an invisible decrease by going through the front loop, then the next front loop, and then making a single crochet. We need to repeat this pattern 4 times. This is how we begin shaping the top of the head. 2 single crochet decrease. For round 8, we'll do the same, but repeat the sequence, 2 single crochet, decrease 3 times. Don't forget to use a stitch marker or a piece of yarn in a contrasting color, so you always know where your round begins. Now we start round 9. We'll make the sequence single crochet. Decrease 3 times. It's getting very tight to work in here. But this is the last challenging round for the head, so don't worry. Preparing for the body. Finally, we come to the last round of the head. Round 10. Here, we need to make 6 single crochet, but only through the back loops only. The back loop is the one furthest from you. We do this so we can join the body to the front loops later, which will look much neater and more accurate. I'm making the last stitch now, and then I need to fasten off, cut the yarn, and tie a knot to secure it. You can now clearly see the front loops that are left exposed. Those are where we'll join the yarn to start the angel's body. The angel body. Join the yarn again to one of those front loops on round 9 that we left exposed. We'll start round 11 by making a slip stitch and a chain, and then we need to make 6 increases, 12 simple crochet total, into those front loops. It's a little tricky, but we'll get it. For round 12, we'll switch back to working through both loops and just make 12 single crochet each one into each stitch. Now for round 13. We start the first increase round for the body. We'll repeat the sequence tree simple crochet. Increase 3 times, which gives us 15 stitches. We continue this pattern of increasing for the body. You will alternate between one round with 3 increases and one round of plain single crochet. My way of increasing for the skirt involves adding 3 increases every other round. For example, the next round would be 4 simple crochet and increase, repeated 3 times. I kept repeating this increase sequence until I reached round 29. Once you reach round 29, we'll finish the skirt edge with a special border called the crab stitch, reverse single crochet, on round 30. This creates a beautifully neat, finished edge. For an easier method, yarn over, insert your hook, pull a loop through, and then twist your hook and complete the crab stitch. Now that our angel's body is done, we need to make the wings. We'll start wing round 1 with 8 simple crochet in a magic ring. After, make a slip stitch to join. For round 2, we start building the scallop shape. We'll make 3 chains, which count as our first treble crochet, and then 2 more treble crochet into the same stitch. Then make 3 chains, skip 1 stitch, and make 3 treble crochet into the next stitch. We repeat this block of 3 treble crochet, 3 chain, skip 1 stitch 4 times. At the end, make a chain and turn the work. We now work back and forth for round 3. We start with 3 simple crochet over the treble stitches, and then in the 3 chain space we create a small feather shape. Simple crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, treble stitch, one chain, and then reverse the order. Treble stitch, double crochet, half double crochet, simple crochet. You repeat this pattern 3 times. We make 2 of these wings the same way. Halo. Join the yarn to round 5 or 6 with a slip stitch. Make 10 chains. Then count 4 single crochet stitches along the same round to the side and join again with a slip stitch. Fasten off, cut the yarn, and weave in all ends securely. Assembly. Now, sew on the wings, and your healing angel is ready. Thank you so much for crocheting this angel with me. I hope you love your finished piece. You can download this complete pattern for free. The link is available right in the info box below. Please subscribe to the channel and check back soon for new patterns. I'll see you next time.